Welcome to another startup and complete car documentation.
What we have here is a 2002 Audi TT 225 Quattro Roadster. This TT Roadster is painted in brilliant black with a black convertible soft top. The interior is finished in the ebony color scheme with leather seat upholstery.
On the key, you have the buttons for lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic. Frameless windows. Full storage nets. Does have a premium Bose sound system. And you get power windows, locks, and mirrors. Manually adjusted seats. But now that we're behind the wheel, let's go ahead and start the engine.
The Audi TT made its US debut for model year 2000. This iconic and distinctively styled two-door sports car has been around for 3 generations, although unfortunately it's looking like it's about to be discontinued. In my opinion, Audi has done an excellent job in terms of redesigning the TT over the years, keeping it fresh and modern but still making sure it holds on to an overall shape and form that ensure it's still unmistakably a TT. Over the years, it's been produced as both a 2+2-seater hardtop coupe and a 2-seater convertible roadster, the latter of which, of course, being what this one is. This 2002 model we have today represents the first generation of the TT, codenamed 8N, which was produced in the US from model years 2000 through 2006. The first-gen TT rides on the same platform as cars like the Mark IV Volkswagen Golf and the Volkswagen New Beetle. Interestingly, the TT was initially only available with a manual transmission. It wasn't until 2003 when an automatic became available. Of course, the TT could be had with the famous Audi Quattro all-wheel drive system. In later years, to go along with the existing turbo 4-cylinder engine, a 3.2-liter VR6 was introduced to the first-gen TT, and its transmission was a dual-clutch automatic. The US market 2002 model year TT came in 2 main variants, 180 and 225 corresponding to the car's power output. The engine in both was a 1.8-liter turbo 4, but depending on the configuration, it was putting out either 180 or 225 horsepower. As for transmissions, the 2002 TTs were manual only, with 180 models getting a 5-speed and 225 models getting a 6-speed. Finally, as for drivetrains, front-wheel drive was standard, but you could also get what this one has, and that is Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. 225 models came standard with Quattro. You also had 2 different body styles to choose from for O2, which of course were the Coupe and the Roadster.
So first up is the instrument cluster, which houses your tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, and temperature gauge, along with a digital info display. It has a 3-spoke design, leather-wrapped steering wheel, sport grips, bottom corners are nice, thickly bolstered, tilt and telescopic, headlight switch, panel dim, climate vent for the driver. On this side you have your turn signal, high beam, and cruise control stock. Then on this side is your wiper stock. Going down the center stack, you got your central climate vents, hazard switch, rear defrost, traction control or stability control. Got the controls for your 6-stage heated seats. Behind this beautiful metal cover with the TT logo is your radio head unit, AM/FM with a CD player. Below that are the controls for your single zone climate control, lighter and ashtray or storage and power outlet. Behind this cover is some more storage along with your power trunk release and fuel door releases. Push down and over for reverse. Parking brake is hand operated. Power door lock switches, a little bit of storage. And this is the button to operate your power convertible top. Got your wind deflector. You have 2 cup holders. And a storage compartment behind here. Nice sturdy roll bars. Little glove box area below there. Both sun visors have vanity mirrors. Have overhead lighting. Garage home link. But now let's go ahead and lower the convertible top and take a look at the engine bay. So both windows are automatic down. First thing you gotta do is undo this latch, then just use this switch.
Standard on the TT 225 is this set of 17-inch 6-spoke alloy rims. Powering the TT is a 1.8-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. This power plant includes dual overhead camshafts and 5 valves per cylinder, 20 in total. In 225 models, this engine produces 225 horsepower at 5,900 RPM, with its torque being rated at 207 pound-feet from 2,200 to 5,500 RPM. It is equipped with Audi's patented quattro all-wheel drive system, and the engine's power is sent to those 4 wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission. Running on required premium unleaded with a 16.3-gallon fuel tank, updated EPA estimates for a TT equipped like this one are 18 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. It has a McPherson strut front suspension, and Quattro models use a multi-link rear suspension. Stopping the TT Quattro are 4-wheel ventilated disc brakes. Curb weight is about 3,473 pounds for 225 Quattro Roadsters.
this button, with the top down, you can raise or lower this little window. Does have dual exhaust.
The trunk of the TT Roadster offers 6.4 cubic feet of cargo space.
And as you saw earlier, the fuel cap is on the passenger side. Anyhow, thanks for checking out this tour of this 2002 Audi TT. And as always, stay on the lookout for future tours.